Kitty Cat lives with Granny and Grandad. This is their house. Today, Grandad had some honey on his toast, and a drop of honey landed on his sleeve. When he went into the garden to do some gardening, a bee came and settled on Grandad's sleeve to eat the honey. Kitty Cat was watching Grandad in the garden when Granny came out and asked her if she would like to go and visit Ellie. Kitty Cat didn't know Ellie, and she had lots of friends here to play with, and she thought she would ask them for their opinion. First, she asked Crazy Horse if he would like to go and visit Ellie. Ellie wouldn't want a crazy horse like me, he said. Then she asked Mr. Rat. Ellie wouldn't want an old rat like me, he said. Then she asked Mrs. Giraffe. Ellie wouldn't want me. My legs and neck are too long, she said. Then she asked Tommy Tortoise. Ellie wouldn't want me. I walk too slow, he said. Soon it was time for Kitty Cat to go to Ellie's house. She was very worried, but Granny assured her that if she didn't like it, she could come straight back. When Kitty Cat got to Ellie's house, she was very shy. Ellie had 2 dogs, Oakley and Poppy, but they were very, very friendly and very, very playful. Ellie also had lots of toys. Can you see Kitty Cat? But best of all was Ellie. Kitty Cat just loved Ellie, and Ellie loved Kitty Cat. Ellie told her stories and took her everywhere. Kitty Cat told Granny and Grandad that she really loved being with Ellie and wanted to stay. And so she did.